Alright, so update is a little hard to see because it won't focus, but right here. So we are like right here in the middle. Kinda? Yeah, we're like right here in the middle. And here is 72. And we click on it, it's saying Kannapolis, which is like 6 miles south of us. You can see that, yeah, 1103. So it is 10:51 now. So, oh dang, look. My phone is taking pictures of me, whatever. So, he'll be here in a minute, and I'll catch y'all when he comes.
On the wayside, see if you can get this a holler and show on the radio.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Gosh, that's high exposure. There you go. We just got that high railer, which tells me that we're not getting anything on the close track. We'll see what else we can get. I know for sure we're probably getting a 72. But that high railer is not really a good sign. It's just a track inspector, but still. Because this whole track is closed for him, is usually how it goes. But I'm gonna catch y'all whenever we get our next train.
1.3. Track 2. No defects. MP.1.2. Track 1. No defects. Detector out. Norfolk Southern milepost 341.3. Track 1. No defects. Norfolk Southern milepost 341.3.
Alright guys, I think that's it. We got that 50W, which was pretty nice. It was roughly about 3 hours, maybe 4 we sat out here. I think we got about 5 trains. I'm not completely sure, but then this is the Charlotte District main line. And then I was right over there in front of those houses. This is going to be the type of recording I'm going to do on average from now on. Unless I'm prioritizing pictures. So y'all start seeing this format, this style, this quality. Other than that, pretty nice day. It's like crazy overexposed down there. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and this is trains in China Grove, North Carolina. See ya.